This video is to show you how to do the Photosynthesis Virtual Lab 2. So make sure you've brought this link up, this website up from Google Classroom, and that you have this paper right here. So this lab is to see if different types of plants grow best with different shades of light. So first you're going to see that there are several different shades that I can use. So I can switch colors here on either side. I have 3 different things I can plant. I'm going to reset this for a moment. So down here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to guess on number 1, which color of light I think plants are going to grow best with, and then which one they're not going to grow best with. And I'm just going to circle what I think. No right or wrong answer here. This is a hypothesis, so we're just going to circle what we think. And then I'm going to identify the independent and dependent variable. So remember, independent variable is the thing I'm changing on purpose. Dependent variable is the thing I'm measuring. And then we're going to get to this part. We got a lot of information to fill in with this data table. So we notice I have all the different colors that I can use. And then I have my spinach, radish, and lettuce. So what I'm going to do up here is I'm going to set my first light to red because I notice I have red here. And then I'm going to set the next one to orange just because that's my next color. So I can actually do 2 experiments at once. I'm going to set that to... Whoops, there it is, orange. Well, I'll get there eventually. Okay, I'm gonna set that to orange. And I'm gonna plant spinach because that's the first thing on my list. Pardon me. And then I'm going to click this on-off switch. I'm gonna turn it on and that's gonna simulate 30 days of growth. Lights will turn off. Now I wanna measure each plant. So I'll start here with the red because it's what I've got right here. And I'll pick up this little ruler. And I'm gonna measure each one. So if I look here, looks like that grew about, I'd say about 16, maybe 17 centimeters, as you can see. And I just record that data here. So individual, I have one that's, let's say 16 centimeters. Then I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna measure the next one. That one looks to be about 21. I'd write down 21, so on and so forth. Once I've measured all 3, I'm going to do an average. So I'm going to add up the 3 numbers that I put over here. So let's say I had 16, 21, and then my next one is, I'm going to say 18, looks like. I'm going to put 18 right here. So to do my average, remember I add up these 3 numbers. You can use a calculator on your Chromebook or you can borrow one of mine. So we have 16 plus 21 plus 18, and you would divide whatever your total is by 3. So we add up the 3 numbers, divide by 3, and that's how we're going to get our answer. I'm going to do the same thing here. So I'm going to go down here, see where I have orange. I have my orange plants here. I'm going to measure them. I'm going to record. I'm going to average. Then when I get here to green, blue, and violet, I am going to click reset. I'm going to switch my colors. So I have green and I have blue. Whoops. Every time. Go too far. And then I'm going to plant spinach again. And I'm going to turn my lights on. And I'm going to wait the 30 days. And then I'm going to measure. I'm going to record. I'm going to switch it to violet. You're going to do this over and over and over again. I'm going to wait until I get everything on this row filled out. Then I'm going to do the same thing I did, except I'm going to plant radish seeds. Do the same thing again, except plant lettuce seeds. Then when you're done, you're going to come down here. It's going to ask you to write a conclusion about what happened, which light actually had the biggest effect. And then I'm going to write that on the back. My conclusion needs to be about a paragraph long, and you need to make sure you include your hypothesis if it was correct or incorrect in your conclusion. You're going to turn this in when I see you on Tuesday. Have a great day.